mess up the forecast a bloody again.
God dang it! What?
90%.
Crap! No!
Here we go! Here we go!
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder.
The same
system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. on less severe weather threats. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Guys, I just got mine.
These are the 10